Yeah, you see it say race with Ray Besto. Now we gonna race with Ray Besto. God damn it.
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? Got that auto lust gear on? Yeah. I got some real good news. Let me flip this camera around. Oh, I ain't even gotta flip it around. You guys see what I'm in, and you know where I'm going. We finally headed over to Hellraiser Performance to get the transmission built and get these rear axles sent out the drive shaft shop. Cause lo and behold, Hellraiser Performance is a distributor of drive shaft shop, so I can get all of that done in the same place. And these guys just moved over on my side of Florida from over on the far, I think, west side of Florida. You know, so it just, I mean, everything worked out perfectly now that they're in my backyard. So I'm gonna go to the bank, grab a little bit of cash, and we finna head over to Hellraiser Performance so they can go ahead and get this transmission built so we can launch with that 1,000 horsepower. So let's ride. I know I did some exhaust clips on this car already, but a lot of you guys don't realize just how loud it is. So I'm gonna ride like a little bit, like on my way to the bank, you know, with the front windows down, so you guys can hear exactly like if you were inside the driver's seat of this car, so you guys could hear how loud it is. I mean, it's obnoxiously loud, and that's the way I like it, you know. And you know, faster turbo spool, less turbo lag. This car is crazy loud. And it's in efficient mode, guys. It's not even in sport mode or sport plus mode. If I put it in sport plus mode, I mean, the pops and bangs is extremely loud and crazy. So yeah, I want you guys to hear that too. So once I get down a little bit further on US 1, I'll put it in sport mode. I'm gonna put it in sport plus mode now so you guys can hear these pops and bangs. Crazy. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to hear that from kind of like POV perspective, like what I hear when I drive the car. But we finna get over here to this bank and get over to Hellraiser Performance. So it's actually a couple days later and they got the transmission out already. These guys over here at Hellraiser Transmission does not play any games at all. Chuck don't play the radio. We got the car up in the air. I'm gonna show you guys right now. We got the car in the air. The entire exhaust is took down. And as you guys can see, the transmission is out. This is the back of the motor here, and you got the down pipes right there on either side. And I'm thinking about doing turn downs at the end of the down pipes, and that's to save weight and kill pretty much any more turbo lag, you know, because when the exhaust gas have to flow so far to get to the back, you know, that's not the less lag you can get. You know, you can get a lot more efficient turbo spool by having a shorter exhaust. That's why the aftermarket cars you see like Chevys and stuff, they usually have the turbo exhaust coming out of the front bumper or out of the hood, you know, because that short turbo exhaust track, it give you faster spool, more efficient spool, you know. So, and I don't have any room to put my exhaust out of the side of the fender or the front bumper or something, which will look cool, but I don't have the room for it. So I'm gonna do the next best thing, which is turn downs right after the exhaust pipe. You know, hopefully I can get it done before BMW Invasion in Orlando, which is on February 19th. I'm gonna put a little flyer up right here about it. So you guys, I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna be in the exhaust competition. So if you guys wanna come hang out, you know, Auto Lust family, come hang out. But let me show you guys this transmission broke down here. That's my exhaust right here. Full 3-inch mandrel bend, straight pipe. Let me show you guys this transmission here. It's all the way broke down. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Chuck told me everything was in good condition. You know, like it's still a lot of meat on the clutches. That's my torque converter. I'm taking it, getting what's called a Saturday night special done to it. That they're gonna up the stall a little bit. Yeah, but everything look pretty good. Yeah, that's my baby right there. Oh yeah, another thing, most of the M cars are gonna come with an aluminum pan instead of a plastic pan. So my transmission came with an aluminum pan, but it's gonna be getting all new clutches, steels, bushings, everything will be brand new, guys. This thing is gonna be ready to rock and roll, you know. That's my four-wheel, all-wheel drive transfer case right here for the BMW. If you guys never seen what it looks like, this actually controls the front wheels. All right, this is the before of the transmission case going in the hot tub. Big boy ultrasonic. This is the before, gang. And that's the same transmission, gang. Now that's what a clean transmission case is supposed to look like. The same exact transmission. Gorgeous. And these right here are brand new clutches and steels, guys. Brand new. And this is the Ray Besto GPZ.
Those are the Altos, right there.
Okay, these are the Altos here, and these are right here.
To the right.
To the right. Oh, right here. And these are the Ray Bestos GPZ. And these the ones we going right here? Yeah. All right, and that's what's going in yeah, you see it say race with Ray Besto. Now we gonna race with Ray Besto. God damn it. We finna race with Ray Besto. You see them clutches say race with Ray Besto, man.
Which one? You're back.
Hellraiser Performance calls these guys the Hellcats.
There you go. Oh.
These the Hellcats right here, gang. This one look like a Bengal tiger.
Yeah, that one is. That's Mr. Handsome right there.
Mr. Handsome.
That's it. That's the mom, and these are her kids.
The Hellcats in the flesh. Ooh, that is.
In the flesh.
Ooh, she is gorgeous. Yeah, she is gorgeous.
Yeah. That's Boots. That's the male. That's Sonic. That's Oreo. And that's Baby.
All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a side by side of the converter that's been updated versus a stock converter. This is my stock converter. When it comes back, it's gonna look like this, Chuck. Yep. It's gonna look like that. And we doing something called a Saturday night special torque converter. You know, that'll help me with my 60 foot, right? Right. Help with the 60 foot off the line, gang. So this is where you guys want to go. You know, when you come and get your transmission built, this is where you want to be. See, I got everything broken down in order. You know, nothing just slung everywhere. Everything broke down in order, and everything looks gorgeous too. Look how shiny this is. This is my first time ever seeing the inside of a transmission in person. So, you know, I'm like, I didn't know it was this clean. You know, that's crazy. Yeah, gang, I'm extremely excited. You know, this is like super unprecedented. You have a BMW X6M being built at a Hellcat Demon shop. You know, this shop primarily builds Hellcats, Demons, Scat Packs, 392s, and things like that. You know, that's their specialty. So having the X6M here, you know, I feel good that you Dodge guys could rub some of that magic on my baby so I can test some ass up on the track. You know, but I just wanted to give you guys this update. You know, as the project goes on and keep going, you know, we're gonna I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I really want you guys to come out to BMW Invasion. If you guys gonna have the time, and you know, I know it's busy, coronavirus, but if you got the time, come and check me out. You know, Auto Lust family, come out to the BMW Invasion. I would love to meet a lot of you guys in person. So, you know, until we get some more done to this transmission, which is almost done, gang. Everything is at the house, turbos, fuel pumps, the transmission getting done. The only thing left is to do the rear axles, gang. So I'm almost ready for the track. You know, it's gonna be a lot of racing coming up soon. It's gonna be a lot of racing. You know, we can do whatever. You wanna race? Hit me up. Hit me up. You can meet at my track. If you're not too far, I'll meet at your track. Long as we run the same weight, you know, same horsepower. So I'm not gonna be racing any 16,000 horsepower cars. You know, I got a 5,200 pound SUV. But any friendly race, you know, who wanna race, man, let's do it. You know, that's the reason I'm building the car, to hang out and have fun. So until we meet again, Auto Lust out.